If you're encountering a payment processing error on Faire, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause payment processing errors. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can interfere with payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try the transaction again. Step 4. Update payment method. If your current payment method is still not working, consider adding a new payment method. Go to your account settings, update your payment information, and try making the purchase again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Faire's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the payment processing error on Faire quickly. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for further assistance.